8th standard students, already we have discussed in the online class representation of rational numbers on the number line. Natural numbers starting from 1, whole numbers from 0, integers positive, negative with 0, rational numbers. So now in this exercise 1.2 we will learn how we can represent the rational number on the number line and how we can find or calculate the rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. This page also we have done in the online class. It's very easy. You will read and try to solve yourself. Now already I explained here 1 upon 5, here 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, in this way you can. Now rational numbers between two rational numbers, keep this thing in your mind, uncountable, countless rational numbers we can calculate between two rational numbers. Suppose that 3 by 7 and 7 by 10. So 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10. But if we multiply here by 10, here by 10, so 30 upon 100 and 70 upon 100. So more numbers we can calculate in this way. Where read this yourself. By multiplying 10 in the numerator and denominator, by multiplying 100 in both numerator and denominator by 1000, it is the easy method and we can calculate countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. And another method you can see here when we want to calculate two rational or one rational, countless rational numbers between the two rational numbers. So if we want to calculate, we have to calculate, we will find the mean. So how? When you will add 1 plus 2 divided by 2, you will get 1.5. That means 1 integer 1 upon 2. That means 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 and 1, 3. 3 by 2. So, if the question may become in the objective form or subjective form, we find that between any two given numbers, we need not necessarily get an integer, but there will always lie a rational number. We can use the idea of mean. The idea of mean is middle number. How we can calculate 8 and divide by 2. Also to find rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Now with the help of this number line, you can see 0, 1 by 4, then half. Now we want to calculate this between this number between this and this. So what we will do, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. When LCM will be 4, here will be 1 as it is here, 2 2s are 4, 2. So 3 by 4. And when you, this sign you will change into multiplication. Multiply by 1 upon 2. So 3 ones are 3, 3 and 4 2s are 8, 3 by 8. In this way you will get. That means this number is greater than this and less than this. That means 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 4 and less than 1 by 2 in this way. So in the standard language we can say that if A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B divided by 2 is a rational number between A and B such that A plus B upon 2 is greater than A and less than B. This again shows that are countless number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Let us start now exercise 1.2. Represent these numbers on the number line. For this, what you will do, for question number first, you will draw with the help of ruler one line segment, then take 1 centimeter distance and start from 0, or you can start only because it is positive, so you can start from 0. After 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4, 9 by 4, 10 by 4. In this way, and you can show the number, mark it. Same way you will draw the number line, left and middle point, initial point you will take 0 on left hand side, negative, so 0, minus 1 upon 6, minus 2 upon, or you can write in this way also. 0 you will take here, and only minus negative points. So minus 1 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, minus 6 upon 6 still. Because minus 6 upon 6 you will get minus 1. Represent this. So for this also you can draw. 0 you will take here, then minus 1 upon 11, minus 2 upon 11. So you can. This question number 1 and 2 try to solve. If you are having any query, I'll be there, I will help you. Now third question, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So let us start. We have to calculate 5 rational numbers less than 2. So given number is 2 and we have to calculate 5 rational numbers less than 2. Then by formula first rational number is a plus b by 2, but a is not there, 2 is there, so 2 by 2, so 1. So first rational number is 1 because we can write 1 by 1. Second rational number is 1 and 2. I will show you. So 1 plus 2 by 2, that means 3 by 2, because formula is a plus b by 2. Now we have calculated first number is 1, and between 1 and 2, 3 by 2. Now third rational number we will find between 1 and 3 by 2. So 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. LCM will be 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 3, 5. This sign we will change into multiplication sign. So 2 reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So 5 by 2 into 1 by 2. 5 ones are 5. 2 twos are 4. So this number we have calculated between 1 and 3 by 2. Now fourth rational number we will calculate 3 by 2 and 2. So 3 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2. LCM will be 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 2 into 1 by 2, 7 by 4. So 7 by 4. Now next number between, we will calculate 1 and 5 by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 into 1 by 2. 9 upon 4 into 1 by 2. 9 ones are 9. 4 twos are 8. So these are 5 rational numbers. Your answer can be different, but rational numbers should be less than 2. If I will multiply this by 20, 2 by 1, and 20 upon 10, so less than 19 upon 10, 18 upon 10, less than. So we can calculate in this way also, but it is the standard method, so I have calculated by this method. Okay. Now fourth question, find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. First, what we will do, we will change this denominator. Simple method I am explaining. We will change these denominators into same denominators. So 5. So LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So multiply this number by 2 and this number by 5. So what we will get? We will get minus 4 upon 10, and in this number we will multiply by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now 10 rational numbers easily we can calculate. Minus 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 1 upon 10, then 0 upon 10 also, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 8 rational numbers. Now for finding 10 rational numbers, multiply this number again by 10. So here you will get 40, here 100, when you multiply by numerator and denominator by 10 here. Now you can find easily number minus 40. So any 10 rational numbers you can choose easily. But I will solve by standard method, that means by mean, a plus b upon 2. For me, a is this and b is this. We will add this and then divide it by 2. So let us start. Given rational numbers are minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2, you can see. Then by formula we know a plus b, so a 2 rational numbers and divided by 2. So minus 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 2. First what we will change? This sign we will change into multiplication. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Now LCM 10, 2 5s are 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now minus 4 plus 5, that means 1. So 1 upon 10. Greater number is 5. Before 5 no sign is there, that means positive sign is there, so we will neglect the sign. So 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 2, that means 1 upon 20. So first rational number is this. You can see between minus 2 upon 5 and between 1 upon 2. The first rational number is 1 upon 20. I have written here so you can understand easily. Now minus 2 upon 5 we will take first rational number and second 1 upon 20 divided by 2. From here, this 2 numbers we will take. Then we will take this 2 number. So LCM will be 20. 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 21s are 21 as it is, and multiplication multiplied by 1 by 2. Multiplied we will 1 by 2. So minus 7 upon 20 into 1 upon 2. Minus 7 upon 20, 2s are 40. Minus 7 upon 40. So minus 7 upon 40 between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 20. Now next. Next is 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 2. This 1 upon 2 we will take. So 20 will be LCM. 20 ones are 20 and 2 ones are 20. 10 ones are 10. Multiplied 1 by 2. 11 upon 20. So 11 upon 40. You can see here between 1 upon 20 and 11 upon 40. Now after that we will calculate between 1 upon 20 and 11 upon 40. So LCM will be 40. 20 2s are 2 1s are 40 1s are, so multiplied 1 by 2. 3 upon 40 multiplied 1 by 2. 3 upon 80. So this we have calculated between 1 upon 20 and 11 upon 40. That means here. So how many rational numbers we have calculated yet now? First, second, third, fourth. In this way you can calculate so many. I am explaining you. No need to write this. This I have written only for your in detail. Now you will take 11 upon 40 plus last number plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 formula. So 40 will be LCM, next number, and 11 plus, when you will divide 40 by 2 you will get 20. 21s are 20. You will add this 20 plus 11, 31 upon 40 into 1 by 2, 31 upon 80. Next, that means fifth rational number. Now same number minus 7 upon 40. Now you will take with minus 2 by 5 divided by 2. So LCM will be 40. 5 8s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 41s are 14, minus 7 because plus minus minus, and multiply by 1 by 2. Now minus 23 upon 40 into 1 by 2, minus 23 upon 80. So it is the sixth rational number between minus 2 upon 5 and minus 7 upon 40. Now what we will do? Minus 2 by 5. Now we will take with 11 upon 40 divided by 2. So LCM will be 40. 5 8s are 40. 8 2s are 16 with negative sign. Plus 41s are 40 as it is, so 11. minus plus minus, so minus 5 upon 8, 5 is a 5, 5 is a 40, and multiply 1 by 2. So minus 1 upon 16. This number we have calculated between minus 2 upon 5 and 11 upon 40. It is the 7th rational number. Clear? So in this way, now after 7th rational number, you can calculate by taking this number with 1 by 2 and this number minus 2 by 4, that 8th and 9th. So in this way you can calculate the numbers. Now you can see 7th rational number is between minus 2 upon 5 and 11 upon 40 is minus 1 upon 16. Now we will take minus 1 upon 16 and first rational number. We will calculate between these two numbers and divided by 2. We will add this number divided by 2. So LCM will be 80. 80 is divided by 5. How many times? 16. 16 2s are 32 with negative sign. Plus minus minus. 16 5s are 5 1s are. We will add this because two negative integers always we add with negative sign. So 32 plus 5, 37 with negative sign upon 80 into 1 by 2. So rational number is minus 37 upon 160. It is the 8th rational number. Now we will calculate between minus 1 upon 16 and last number. It is given in the question 1 by 2 divided by 2. LCM will be 16 as it is, minus 1 as it is, plus 2 8s are 16, 8 1s are 8. So 7 by 16 into 1 by 2, 7 1s are 7, 7 and 16 2s are 32. It is the 9th rational number. So after that 9th rational number, we will take minus 1 upon 16 plus 7 upon 32 divided by 2. LCM will be 32, 16 2s are, so 2 1s are plus 32 1s are, 7 as it is multiplied by 1 by 2. So 5 upon 32 into 1 by 2. So 5 upon 64. We have calculated this number between minus 1 upon 16 and 7 upon 32, 5 upon 64. So in this way you can calculate. It is the standard method. Just I am teaching you in the higher classes, you will learn again, but knowledge should be there. So it is given in the textbook. So I explained this method in detail. You can do by easy method also. Now next question is find 5 rational numbers between. So first denominators should be same. So you will write given rational numbers are 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Then multiply by here in the numerator denominator by 5. So you will get 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. So 5 2s are 10 and this number you will get multiply by 3. So 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. Denominators are same. If in this way you will calculate the number between this, only one number you will get, that is 11 upon 15. So what you will do? You will multiply round up number. If either 10 or 15 2s are 30 and 15 4s are 60. Whatever number you are multiplying denominator, same number you will multiply in the numerator, and then you can calculate the any 5 rational numbers you can choose. It's not necessary your answer should be made the answer table. Now minus 3 upon 2, but method should be correct, children. Otherwise you will tell Swati madam told on your. Now second question, we have to calculate 5 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. So you will write given rational numbers are minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. Then you will write minus 3 upon 2. So minus 3 upon 2 multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So minus 3 3s are 9 upon 6. And next number is 5 upon 3. So in 5 upon 3 here we will multiply this number by 2. So we will get 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. Now easily any 5 number you can choose between these two numbers. Minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6, minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1. And minus 5 upon 6, minus 4. Any 5 numbers you can choose. Now next is write 5 rational numbers. Third one is left. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So what you will do? Given rational numbers are 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. So first you will, denominator should be same. So 1 by 4 as it is. Now 1 by 2. So when you will multiply in numerator by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So you got 2 rational numbers. First is 1 by 4, second is 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 just comes after 1 by 4. But we have to calculate 5 rational numbers. So in this way, so what we will do? We will multiply here by 10 in numerator and denominator, and here also. So what we will get? The next number 1 by 4 is equal to 1 into 10 upon 4 into 10. So 10 upon 40. And here 10 multiplied in numerator and denominator multiplied by 10. So 2 upon 4 is equal to 2 into 10 upon 4 into 10. So 2 into 10 is 20 and 4 into 10 is 40. So this number you got 10 upon 40 and this 20 upon 40. So now easily you can choose any 5 rational numbers. Now next question is write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Now we have to calculate 5 rational numbers. Those should be greater than minus 2. So let us start. For this question, what you will write? First given number is minus 2. Now minus 2 equal to minus 2 upon 1 we can write. Multiply 10 in numerator and denominator. So minus 20 upon 10. So 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2 are minus 19 upon 10, minus 18 upon 10, minus 17, minus 16 upon 10, minus 15 upon 10. Or you can choose minus 14 upon 10, minus any 5 you can choose. Now alternative method also I will explain. Now you can see here, or I have written alternative method. We have to calculate greater than minus 2. So that point we will assume as 0, b in place of, and a equal to minus 2. And the formula is a plus b upon 2. Mean we will calculate. So minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 upon 2, minus 1. This number is also rational number because we can write minus 1 upon 1. Now minus 2, this number we have calculated between minus 2 and 0 minus 1. So now we will calculate in between these two numbers. So minus 2, when you will add minus 2 plus in the bracket minus 1 divided by 2. So you will get minus 2 minus 1 upon 2, that means minus 3 upon 2. Two negative numbers we will add with negative sign. So minus 3 upon 2. This number we have calculated between this and this. So I have written here second number. Now we will calculate between this and this. So minus 1 plus 0 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1, here 0 and minus 1 upon 2. Now it is the third rational number. Now fourth rational number. So fourth rational number you can see here, minus 2 plus in the bracket minus 3 upon 2 divided by 2. This sign we will change into multiplication sign. So reciprocal of 2 we will write 1 upon 2. So LCM will be 2 and 2 2s are 4. So minus 4 minus 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. So minus 7 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 7 upon 4. This number between minus 2 and minus 3 by 2. Now we will calculate between minus 1 and minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. So LCM will be 2, 2 ones are 2, minus 2 minus 3 upon 2 multiplied 1 by 2 minus 5 upon 2 into 1 by 2, that is minus 5 upon 4, it is the fifth rational number. So we will write, so 5 rational numbers are this, that means first rational number is minus 1 upon 1, minus 3 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 7 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 4. Okay. Now next question is find 10 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. So multiplied. First what you will do? Given rational numbers are 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Then 3 upon 5 is equal 3 upon 5 and second number's denominator is 4 multiplied by 4. So you will get 4 3s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. In this way here you will get 15 upon 40 because 3 I am solving here, okay. 3 by 4 is equal 3 by 4 into 5 15 upon 20. Okay. Now in this way 12 upon 20 and between 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20, 13 upon 20 and 14 upon 20. Only two rational numbers we can see. So what we will do? We will change into other denominator. So multiply this number. If you multiply both the rational numbers by 5. So here you will get 12 5s are 60 upon 100 and here you will get 75 upon 100. 15 5s are 75 upon 100. So between 60 upon 100 and 75 upon 100, any 10 rational number easily you can choose. Okay. Again you will write here in 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20 both the numbers multiplied by 5. Then next rational numbers 12 upon 20 is equal to 12 upon 20 multiplied by 5 in the numerator and denominator. So you will get 60 upon 100. Then you will write 15 upon 20 is equal to 15 into 5 upon 20 into 5. So 75 upon 100. So 10 rational numbers are, any 10 rational numbers you can choose. Now what have we discussed? Rational numbers are closed under the operations of addition, subtraction and multiplication. We have seen, already I explained. The operations addition and multiplications are commutative for rational number and associative for rational numbers. In any order we will multiply it, the answer will be same, and in associative if we shift the bracket the answer will be same. The rational number 0 is the additive identity. That means in any rational number we add 0, answer will be same rational number. The rational number 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. That means if we multiply any rational number by 1, the same rational number will be the answer. The additive inverse of the rational number is a upon b is minus a upon b and vice versa. That means if 2 upon 3 is written, so additive inverse of 2 upon 3 will be minus 2 upon 3. And the additive inverse of minus 2 upon 3 will be 2 upon 3. The reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, both the name. Keep this name in your mind. Of the rational number a upon b is c upon d if a upon b into c upon d is equal to 1. That means if 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 So multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is 2 by 2. Distributivity of rational numbers for all rational numbers a, b, c. A into b plus c, that means a into b plus a into c. It's very important. A in the bracket b minus c, that means a b minus a c. Rational numbers can be represented on a number line. Already I taught in the exercise 1, before exercise 1.2 we have seen between any two given rational numbers there are countless rational numbers. The idea of mean helps us to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. I taught you idea of mean, and by doing same denominators also. We have seen the easy and the standard method is by using formula a plus b upon 2, that is called the idea of mean. Okay, so here our chapter 1 is finished. Complete your notebook, and both the method you will solve by calculating the rational numbers between the two given numbers, whatever I have solved on the green board. Okay.